said, because if he gets back to Durant, who they want to be the main guy, then he doesn't have time to operate against him. He throws one more pass, clock goes off.
Meanwhile, the Lakers hit their first shot of this fourth quarter. They have missed their last 10 since then. Yet on the game, still shooting 43%, which is 7-30 from downtown. Doncic has 4 of those 7 makes from 3. Looking inside, it's Hayden with a touch. He's surrounded, and they're going to call the foul on the floor. Shepard is just doing whatever he could to restrict the movement.
Run the ball down. Big men are taught when you catch it that paint area, get it up high. So little guys can't come in there, grab it away from you, knock it out of your hands.
4th foul on Shepard, 17th foul on the Rockets. Doncic right from that spot where he hit the game winner against Denver in overtime. Spray it out, Hachimura, 3. Waits out Regan Thompson. His 12th board tonight to go with 17 points and 5 assists. Durant still scoreless in the second half after 16 in the first 2 quarters. Dunk team comes. His bounce pass taken away by 8. Doncic stopped. Doncic bounce. Hachimura right back to him. Doncic downhill to the corner and Smart. In and out. Rebound 8. Kick out. Reeves on the drive. Hangs. Can't hit. Doesn't get the run. And they're going to give him the bucket on basket interference from Eason.
Was that ball off the rim? Was it still on? It had rolled off and rolled over the rim? That's the question.
You can't challenge it because both teams are out of challenges. It looked like it was still on the cylinder. It was on its way off.
That's close. I'll tell you that. That's close.
Back to a 1-point Laker lead. 3:05 to play. Shepard, Smith, 3-ball. No.
Somebody else has to be able to make a play for the Rockets, not just Kevin Durant.
Doncic batted to the outside. It's Reeves. It's a 3. Way off and out of bounds off of Thompson. People have been clamoring. Playoff basketball is right around the corner. In terms of the defense and intensity you're seeing right now, physicality, and the heavy legs in this fourth quarter, it's starting to feel like playoff basketball.
There's no question these two teams are playing with that type of attitude in this game.
Combined 5 for 30 in this fourth quarter before Doncic gets another bucket.
That big body, boy, when it turns away from you and he elevates, he gets a clean look at the front of the rim.
2.5 to play. The Lakers have the best clutch record by percentage in the NBA. Nearly a strip instead of foul. And it's Marcus Smart picking up his 5th.
See what's happening now is Houston's gone away from Kevin Durant. Give him a blow, give him a little bit of a rest. Perhaps if they could draw a second defender, they could swing it back to him. Right there, you saw Thompson going off the dribble.
You saw the record in clutch games. Score within 5 in the final 5 minutes of regulation or overtime. As Amen Thompson slowly makes his way to the free throw line. The Lakers.
Pero 200 na nga lang pinipigay kahit para sa mga atin sa time. Pinapaubustan ko na lang mga boss. Pinayin ko na lang message ng mga boss kapag video.
17 points on 5 of 18 shooting. There is major contact away from the ball. Thompson got tangled up with Marcus Smart and Thompson.
Kaya mag-message na kayo dyan boss. Nasa may comment section lang boss. I-click nyo muna yung pinaka-link boss. I-follow nyo muna mga boss para ma-notify kayo kada live natin. Kada live natin araw-araw. Minimension ko rin yung mga followers ka mga boss eh. Kaya shoutout sa inyo lahat guys.
Houston. In for Doncic, 36 points. 10 to shoot. Doncic working on Smith. Doncic puts it on the deck. Doncic outside. James extra. Smart 3. Bullseye. Marcus Smart again in the clutch. Extends the Laker lead.
Marcus Smart has done that. Down the stretch in the game.
left.
Give Marcus Smart credit. He's really worked to develop like a big man shot because he wasn't a very good shooter early on in his career.
10 to shoot for Durant. Still looking for his first points since the second quarter. Eason will load it up. Way too strong and out of bounds. He's going to stay here with 2 points.
Yan, shoutout boss kay boss BJ Yapit. Gabil si bossing ng League Pass natin, boss. Boss Jonel Mercado Warren, BJ, unahan na lang kayo, boss. Sino makakuha sa inyo. Kaya shoutout sa inyo lahat, guys.
Shepard, no. Rebound. Thompson has ripped away by Smart. Scooped up by Doncic. 90 seconds to play in Houston. Lakers looking to even the season series. These two will do it again on Wednesday, but the Lakers badly need this win for the tiebreaker. On the drive. Guarded by Durant. James nearly lost it. Got it back. Had it blocked. And Hayes there for the recovery. And the slam.
Big play for Hayes to finally come up with it, hold on to it, and finish it for a score.
Rockets have gone ice cold on the offensive end. Eason, a minute to play. Durant, back to Eason. His push shot. Oh, double kick. Hayes with the defense and the rebound. He's been radio silent all night, but just as he did on Saturday, Ayton coming up huge down the stretch.
Doncic wants all the players down there.
Ayton has 2 more. Timeout Houston. It's the largest.
Ganda. Laban. Shoutout sa inyo lahat, guys. Ay, guys, hindi nila nakukuha yung guys. Dalawang slot natin. Kaya click nyo na yung pinaka-link dyan, boss. Nasa may comment section, boss. Unahan na lang kayo. Natay ko lang yung reply nila, boss, eh. Tagal nila mag-reply, boss. 200 ko na lang yung League Pass natin, boss. Dali-dali pa upos na lang natin, mga boss. Hanggang finals na yan, guys. Unahan na lang kayo po yung slot natin, guys. Natay ko na yung reply nila.
Gutom ka na.
Pero kung paunahan nyo, boss, eh, kayo bahala dyan, guys. 250 yan, mga boss. Pero 200 na nga lang bibigay sa inyo, mga boss. 200 pesos ko na lang bibigay, guys. Hanggang finals na yan. Dali, guys. Antayin ko na yung reply nila,
Ngayon
mga
na lang
boss.
tayo tayo.
Kaya click nyo na yung pinaka-link kasi nyo ma-notify kada live natin. Tapos mag-message kayo kung mag-a-update, guys. 200 na lang yan, guys. 250 yan, mga bossing, eh. Pero 200 ko na nga lang bibigay, guys. Kaya click nyo na yung pinaka-link dyan, boss. Yun nasa may comment section, boss, kung mag-a-avail kayo.
Left, Lakers with 2. The Rockets do have a foul to give down the stretch here. Eason just tries to get it in, and it's taken away by Reeves. The Cookies, and flush from the King. An exclamation point for LA as they take a 10-point lead. Oh, Marcus Smart goes Superman. The turnovers mounting all night for Houston. They've got 24 giveaways as Durant finally pops the seal in this second half. His first points.
Pwede nyo na siyang ma-access, idol. Pwede po kayong manood ng replay dyan. Freely mong account mismo yan. Ayan, message ka lang, idol. Nasa pin comment lang yan, no? 155 na lang po. Maraming salamat po, mga idol. Ayan. Sa mga gusto naman dyan, mga idol, mag-register na po kayo sa ating legit site. Ayan, yung mga mahilig tumaya dyan ng NBA, ng sports, mga idol. Ayan, ano ka na, idol, mag-register ka na. Nasa pin comment lang po yan. Mas malaki panalo dyan, mga idol, kaysa sa ibang site. Ayan. Register ka lang dyan, nasa pin comment lang yung idol. Tapos sabay ka sa GC natin, idol. Pwede kang sumabay sa GC natin. Magaling po yung naglalapag dyan, mga idol. Ayan, yung link ng GC natin, nandyan lang din po sa pin comment, mga idol. Ayan, sumabay na kayo kung gusto nyo sumabay dyan, mga idol. Ayan, congrats nga pala sa mga